Good evening.
Would you like to just like
How are you?
present here?
Thank you. Thanks. What's your name?
My name is Vicky.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
How many people are there in your family?
I have 4 people in my family.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
In the day, my name is Stephanie. My friend and I go to the movie theater on the Sunday. It's between the library and the park. We like watching movies. We eat popcorn too. It's fun.
What's the girl's name according to your class?
Her name is Stephanie.
Where do they go on Saturdays?
They go to the movie theater on the Saturday. On the Saturday,
Where is the movie theater?
it's between the library and the park.
What do they eat?
We eat.
What do they eat?
They eat popcorn.
What does Mike want?
I want some popcorn.
What does Anne want? And
I want some milk.
what about Emma and Danny? What do they want?
Emma and Daddy some peanuts.
Emma and Danny want
Emma and Daddy want some peanuts.
vegetable markets. What do they need? Why?
They need carrots.
5. They need some
They need some pickles.
peppers. 2.
They need some tomatoes.
Now places. Identify the places. 4.
This is a movie theater.
1.
This is a supermarket.
5.
This is a library.
2.
This is a post office.
And 3.
This is a department store.
Now here tell us what they are doing and so write it down. 1.
Right is the library. Right is the right is the post office.
What's he doing at the post office?
He now having method of the post office.
3.
Now is the library.
What's he doing at the library?
He borrowing book of the library.
What do you want to make, Ella?
I want to make smoothie.
What do you need?
I need some banana and orange. I
Lisa, what do you want to make?
want to make fruit salad.
What do you need?
I need some oranges and peaches.
Now tell us the places they have. 4. She's at the 4.
Is at the museum.
1.
Is at the beach.
5.
Is at the pool.
2.
See at the hotel.
And 6.
Is at the aquarium.
Alright, now crossword between 1A.
The park is across from the movie theater.
4B. 4B.
The library is between the post office is between the library and the supermarket.
3A.
The supermarket is across from the department store.
2B.
The movie theater is between the park and the library.
Now here 2 places. What they are doing. Let us know. Let's go. 2A.
See what a
She's
movie.
watching.
See watching a movie at the movie theater.
2B.
They are They are
They are trying to see that.
they are Bible study at the store.
Read it.
He following books at the library.
And lastly, four. That's a hobby.
They are eating the ball at the park.
That's it.
That's